When the house is out of balance, your life is also out of balance. Hi everyone, I'm Sophia. Welcome to my channel Sophia Designs, where I discuss interior design and spirituality with you. And today I want to talk to you about designing a mindful bedroom, a spiritual sanctuary for rest and rejuvenation. When we start designing any space, the first thing you want to ask yourself is, how do I want to feel in this room? Do I want to feel energized, motivated, peaceful, etc.? Obviously, when we design a bedroom, we want to feel calm and we want the space to promote a restful night's sleep and spiritual renewal. When we design a bedroom, the very important thing to consider is optimization of the layout according to the size of the room. Keep in mind the size of the furniture in your room. For example, you don't want it to be too cluttered so that you feel claustrophobic. At the same time, you don't want to leave too much of an empty space so that the room feels unfinished. The important point is try to make your bed facing south. This is a feng shui rule. I'm not a feng shui specialist, but I adopt some of their principles because it's all about holistic approach and the energy flow. It is important not to make your bed aligned with a door, meaning that when you enter the room, if you draw like a straight line, you don't want to run straight into your bed. I can easily explain that. When you enter your bedroom, you bring the outside energies with you as well. It can be any kind of energy: anxious energy, energy of depression, energy of anger, bustle, and other negative energies. You want it to be dispersed before entering the area of your bed. That promotes a good sleep and good rest throughout the night. Another important point I want to make is try to keep the space under your bed completely free from all the clutter. It's very important for the life force energy to move freely and evenly around your bed to promote your good night's sleep and rejuvenation overnight. If you can't keep this area completely clutter-free, you can put something like soft items like bed linen, cushions, blankets there, but don't put anything like, for example, shoes or luggage, because it kind of gives a feeling of you being on the go and not really at home. Also, well, you can put some books there, but nothing too heavy like war books. Keep it in another room. That's quite important for the well-being. When we speak about the colors of the bedroom, it's advisable to use something like non-stimulating hues, neutral colors like beiges, cream, grays. You can add some sort of splashes of color here and there, but try to keep your bedroom, the overall kind of atmosphere, quite neutral, because it obviously promotes relaxation. You can use a little bit of pink. It's kind of it has very romantic kind of energy. You can use a little bit of green or blue for rejuvenation. You can use yellow. It gives you a lot of kind of positive energy. Red is a bit too stimulating, but you can use it a little bit here and there, like for example in candles, crystals, maybe cushions, just not too much. Just to give you an overall idea of what different colors bring in terms of the energy, white represents the goodness and hope. It's a color of clarity, cleanliness, innocence. Yellow is connected with health. It promotes the focus and attention. Green is a very rejuvenating color, and it is connected with growth and prosperity. Blue represents wisdom and truth. It has a lot of healing properties. Purple is connected with spirituality and wealth. Red is very kind of intense hue, as I said before, and it raises the energy of the room. Pink promotes the romantic relationship. Gray ties up with unfussy balance, and black is a very sophisticated color. However, don't use it too much in the bedroom because your bedroom may look a bit depressive if you use too much black, so use it sparingly. We spoke about the layout of the bedroom and the color scheme, and now I want to quickly touch a subject of the artwork for your bedroom, as this is also a very important point. It's not only about choosing the pretty picture for your bedroom, it's also about the intent. Of course, the color of the artwork should match the color of the room so that it doesn't feel out of place, but also consider the size of the artwork. It shouldn't be too large for the bedroom because it will be overwhelming, and also it shouldn't be too small because it can just be visually lost on the wall and feel very insignificant. Choose something that resonates with what you want in life, that makes you happy and inspires you. I hope all these tips that I mentioned today are useful for you. And if you have any questions or any comments, please let me know. Have a nice day and see you on the next video.